What's good, everybody? What's good? Happy Friday. Happy Friday. I'm looking at, man, the market is so strong. The market is so strong. We're waiting for this first 15-minute candle to close, and then we're going to be looking at SPY pre-market high retest. It's looking beautiful right now. It's setting up. This is the pre-market high range. And we are bullish as hell right now. So let's see what happens. We're waiting for this 15-minute candle to close. And then we're going to be looking at going long. Okay, let's see what happens here. Waiting for this 15-minute candle to close. We got 1 minute and 30 seconds. So 15-minute candle. I want to see a nice closure above pre-market high. And if we get a nice closure, we're going in right away. Because that 2 minutes is going to spring off that pre-market high. Like, we're very, very bullish. Look at this. Above previous day high, above all-time high, above pre-market high. That's mega bullish. And we're on something today. Like, we're super strong. So as soon as this 15-minute candle closes, we're going in. We got 30 seconds left. Let's see what happens. Nice little flag forming. I'd like a pre-market high 13 EMA retest would be nice. This pre-market high did retest right here. But it would be nice to get a little bit of consolidation and then slowly start blasting off this zone right here. We got 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second. Should pop here. $15-minute candle close, really bullish, super strong. Let's see what happens with this 2 minute. Finger on the trigger here. Waiting. See if we want to blast off this 13. We're getting really close to our risk level, which I like a lot. This would be a quick stop if we enter around here. Here's a 13 retest. Looking like it wants to hold. Let's see if we can wick off this zone. Okay, we're wicking, we're trying. If this flips green, I go long. Nothing yet. All right, we're trying. We're trying. It's looking good. Oh, almost made me press the button. That was close. Battle zone. Big time battle zone. Let's see if she flips for us. Nothing yet. Pretty surprising, to be honest. Pretty surprising this is not springing off the way it should be. Let's see. All right, long. There we go. Beautiful. Good entry. I like that entry. We waited. That was perfect. Now, I want to add to this. I want to add another 6 if we can. See if it gives us a chance. So that was a really good patience long. We didn't enter on this red candle. We entered off the spring. So this will be my stop. If we get back below this and close below, I'll stop out. But for now, I want to go for a minimum 2R risk to reward here. All right, let's see how it goes. I love this trade. Like, I'll take this every day of the week. No problemos. Quick stop for me if it doesn't work. Nice small risk. It's Friday. I don't want to risk too much on a Friday. It has such a sick last 10 days in a row that will keep you tight. Let's see if I'll add to this. I will add to this if we hold and we coil over this level. See if we hold. We got 1 minute left on this candle. We got VWAP right underneath here, so I want to see that hold. Oh, look at that flip. Oh my goodness. You sexy thing. That was beautiful. Thank you. Okay. Wow. That was pretty, man. What was that? Look at that. Oh my goodness. Let's hear that alarm. Didn't get a chance to add there, but man, beautiful stuff. Beautiful stuff. Whatever that was, I like it. Let's see that alarm hit. That was gorgeous, man. Whatever that flip was freaking beautiful. And you see, like, the reason I didn't stop out there, 1, it didn't really close anywhere below that level. 2, I had VWAP right here. Obviously the 13 and pre-market high, so I don't want to stop out prematurely. So that was nice, man. I like that a lot. Beautiful stuff. See if we can hit that alarm. I want to hit that alarm before I take any off, just because of the sizing too. I'm not super sized in on this yet. So just small size. It's Friday. I don't want to mess up my 10-day streak here. I had such a good 10 days. We started this account at 50K. Now we're at 52, almost 300. So it's been a good week. See if she holds. Looking to add here maybe. If this flips green, I'm going to add. Adding.
Order filled.
Adding right there. All right, so let's see if we can flip green here. get above these highs, and then I'll take off half at these new highs right here. So it's good. Now I'm in full position here. If we get back below these lows now, I'm just going to stop out quick. But this is looking great. I like the look of this thing. It's really nice. This will be my first my first de-risk spot right here at the 2R. When we hear that alarm, I'll take half off. All right. Let's see what happens with this trade here. Yeah, it doesn't get much better than this, like risk to reward wise. We got in right at pre-market high, right at the 13, right at VWAP. Like, beautiful stuff, man. I love that trade. I love the risk on this trade. The ad was good here, I think. Would have been better a little bit lower near our risk, but I like a little bit more validation before I start adding. And there's clearly buyers here, so looks good. Looks good for the next move up. Let's end this week strong here. We had such a sick 10 days in a row. Be nice to end this one with a nice green day, and then we'll shut it down for the weekend and come back strong Monday. Oh man, that was nice. What a nice pop. Let's go. Okay. Okay, I'm going to take off 6 right there. See if it can hammer me. Yeah, let's go.
Order filled.
Let's go, baby. Let's go. Man, that was beautiful. Hell yeah, dude. Look at that. Look at that. We hit 2R. Alarm goes off. Now we ride the rest break even, or we're just going to keep trailing this thing. So we want to go 2. We hit actually 2.5. That's beautiful. Okay, so let's go 3R for the next de-risk spot. That was so nice, man. What a beautiful way to end the week, man. We've been just on a heater, boy. We've been on a heater. Hell yeah. All right, let's see if we can hit that next. Oh, man, we're hitting that next spot. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, man, that is sick. That is sick. Let's see if we can get 2 more off right up here. Let's look at the chart. Oh, man, are you kidding me? Look at that, boy. Look at that. We hit 6R on this. Oh, my God. That was so sick. That was so sick. Take off 1 more right here.
Order filled.
Holy, that was sick, man. Hell yeah. Oh my God, that was so nice. That was so nice. Like, what a perfect trade, man. Hell yeah. Let's go. Let's run it up. Let's run it up. See if we can get more off. Right up here. Man, that was beautiful. I mean, we hit 6.21R on our trade. Look at that. Let's go. Let's go, man. All right, man. We secured 366 bucks. We're riding on 2 contracts. I have a feeling this thing's gonna rip. I have a feeling this thing's gonna rip. So I'm just gonna hold one at these new highs right here. And like I just don't want it to come all the way back down here, to be honest. So let's see. Let's see how it goes here. I don't want to prematurely jack here and get it all out. I do want to hold a runner. Let's see if this thing rips for us, man. That was just incredible stuff. Like, just a freaking sick ad. Sick ad. Love it, man. Love it, man. I'm breathing these markets lately. I'm just breathing these markets lately. Let's see what this runner does. Looking like it's going to hit. Looking like it's going to hit, boy. Let's go. Hell yeah. Look at that, man. Just so strong. I'm going to keep that runner there. This is looking absolutely gorgeous, man.
Order filled.
Let's go. Come on. Are you joking? Are you kidding me, man? Let's go. Hell yeah. Let's go. All right, let's see what this runner's going to do for us. Let's see what this runner's going to do for us. Oh, man. Oh, man. Let's go. Is this runner going to keep going? I'm going to go candle by candle here. I'm going to go candle by candle here. Like, man, look at this. Look at this return. Guys, look at this return. I'm at 8R on my money. I'm at 8R on my money. Like, all I risked was this. That's all I risked. This is all I risked. And this thing just keeps ripping. This is all I risked. That's it. Man, this is so sick, bro. Look at this. Look at this runner, man. All right, so I want to trail this thing candle by candle now. I don't want to let this runner go too far down on me because we're extending really far away from the 13 EMA. So I'm not going to be holding past this candle right here. So I'll let this thing rip or fail. But like, I'm not going to let this thing go further than below this pivot point. Because you saw we had major resistance here. We resisted pretty good. And then now we're bouncing off that resistance point, which is now demand. So I don't want to risk more than this. The 13 EMA is getting extended. So I want to ride this, but I don't want to give it back either. So see how this goes, man. All right, so I'm going candle by candle here. So I'm just going to raise my stop even more and see if it takes me out. If it takes me out, cool. I'm cool with this. I got 8R on my money, but I'm not willing to give it back either. So if it takes me out here, that's all good. But that was an absolutely sick trade, man. Oh, damn. What a way to end the week. And we're officially at $3,000 for the week. Almost. $2,800 almost here. And that was incredible stuff, man. Like, all right, let's see if this thing wants to run or take me out. All right.
Stop filled.
That's it. That's my day. $545. You saw how fast that was. That was 10 minutes. Fucking beautiful shit, man. That was beautiful. All right, I'm going to end it here. And we're off to the weekend. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. That was a half an hour day. And I'm pumped, man. I'm pumped. What a sick week. That was so nice. All right, I'll make a recap later. That was beautiful stuff. All right, if you watch this video later, hope you learned that simple ass setup that you could take every single day of the week. And show me some love. Give me that subscribe. Give me that like. And I'll catch